In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a trade or trade offer on Steam. We'll go from opening Steam to sending a clean, confident offer, so you can swap items safely and efficiently. Start by opening the Steam application. At the top of the window, hover your mouse over your profile name. A drop-down menu appears. Choose Inventory. This brings you to a page that lists your items across supported games. On the right side of the inventory page, look for Trade Offers and select it. Then choose New Trade Offer to begin setting up your offer. You'll see a list of your friends who are eligible to trade with you. Pick the friend you want to trade with. If you don't see someone, they may need to be on your friends list or have trading enabled. Once you select a friend, the trade screen opens with two main areas, your inventory and your friend's inventory. You can use filters and game tabs to quickly find specific items, like a certain skin or trading card. To build the offer, drag the items you want to give from your inventory into your trade slots. Then, from your friend's inventory, drag the items you're asking for into their side of the trade. You're essentially assembling both sides so everything is clear up front. If an item can't be moved, it likely isn't tradable or is temporarily restricted. In that case, pick a different item. Take a moment to double-check item names, variants, and quantities. Small differences like a pattern, or level, or edition can matter, so confirm you're selecting the exact items you intend. When everything looks right, review the contents one more time. This is your chance to catch typos, duplicates, or missing items. If you're coordinating with your friend, it helps to keep your Steam chat open so you both agree on the final contents before sending. When you're satisfied, confirm the contents on the trade screen and click Make Offer. Your friend will receive a notification through Steam that a trade offer is waiting. From there, they can review every item and choose to accept, decline, or send back a counter offer with adjustments. You'll be notified when they take action, and the status will update in your trade offers page so you can track it without guessing. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching.